Hey guys, I'm not sure if you know how to use a Padlet, so I'm just going to go through this real quick. You have three questions here, and they're in three different columns. So, which of your stocks in Student Stock Trader did not do well or lost money? Why do you think they didn't perform well? You would click here, and your title should be your name, and then you would go ahead and write something. So please keep in mind that when you write something, I am looking at your spelling and grammar because that's part of your written rubric. And then I'm also looking for evidence. So if you say, I think Coke did bad, and that's all you say, um, then you won't get your full points for grammar, and you won't get your full points for evidence. Um, so that's how you should do that. So I'm just going to delete that. Here you would click, and you would tell me which one you think did well. I'm not looking for a real long essay here. I'm just looking for some evidence from your student stock trader data on why you think it performed well. Um, Again, I'm not looking for something crazy here. Just answer the question and do your best. Over here, do you think you would do anything differently? Do you think you would pick new stocks? So again, you wouldn't say, yes, I would do things differently. Yes, I would pick new stocks. If you do that, you won't really get points for evidence. So you'd have to tell me how you would do things differently. And that is how you answer that question. If I go over here to your Padlet link, something that I want to talk about is that there's some of you that have been doing pretty well. So I'm going to shout you out. So Lewis has all 3 weeks, and so does Alicia. Okay, so if you have 3 weeks worth of data, then you can go ahead and fill out the Padlet. You're all ready to do that. If you only have 2 weeks of data, then you can fill out the Padlet, but you're going to get less points for it. Or you could just wait till next week and fill it out then when you have 3 weeks of data. That's fine. There are two of you that haven't done anything with this. You haven't looked at any stocks, you haven't filled out anything. Actually, there's three of you. So if that's the case, then you really, really need to look at those stock things and get at least 1 week of data in because you're going to get a lot of 0 points here. And I've been reaching out to you, sending emails, did last week. I think I've been doing it for the last couple of weeks saying, what do you need? You need to get some stock data in there. And this is why, because now we're at the point where we're using that data. And if you don't have any data, you're going to get a lot of 0 points. So it's not too late. We still have 2 more weeks of school. You can get some points, but you can see that the amount of points you get keeps on getting lower if you do not have data in there. Please reach out to me. I will be in, well, obviously I'm home, but I will be available after lunchtime. I do have some meetings in the morning this morning, and then I'm available in the afternoon. So please reach out to me via email. If you don't have any stock data done yet and you need me to walk you through it, there are some videos on that. But if you're just really confused, please, please, please reach out to me and maybe I can jump into Zoom and get you started on this. Okay? So again, I'm going to call out Alicia and Lewis because they have 3 weeks worth of data. Um, if you need some help getting that data, let me know. Have a great day.